Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Well, we are back again with yet another short and crisp video for you guys. Today we're gonna explore the Maidala Lake, which is around 60 kilometers from Bangalore. Let's not waste any more time and get straight into the video. So our meeting point for today's ride is Tumkur Road, where we had tea and snacks because we were really not sure if the destination had these refreshments to offer us. So quickly freshened and geared up, we started towards the lake. You know, the speciality of any rider from Bengaluru Bikers Group is that they reach on time. So the plan is always as per schedule, and that's why we have already crossed the toll and are just few kilometers away to reach the spot. Now, as they always say that the path to the destination is more beautiful, we feel that it's always true when we go for any of our trip. This path also had such refreshing scenery all throughout. This is where we are entering the town, which will lead us to our intended place. And yes, we will be linking the map in the description box. Do check it out if you guys are planning for the trip. This place is not that difficult to locate as it's just a deviation away from the main road. Hey, that mountain there is our destination, the Madanagiri Hills, past which we will have the Maidala Lake and a beautiful landscape. This is sort of a checkpost and supposedly a parking, but we requested the security to let us take our bikes till the lake. And thank God he allowed us, else we would have missed upon a beautiful stretch of an off-road. To our surprise, this place was more than what we thought it would be. You know, it had a Jain temple at the hilltop, a meditation hall, a lake which we are heading to right now, a mountain for trekking. The steps you see there leads to the temple, leaving us with some trekking experience. Well, we guess even camping is allowed. We'll let you guys know about it later in this video. The first stretch of off-road has started and all of us are enjoying it to the fullest. This off-road is not a dreadful one, so if you're not an off-roading person, then don't worry, even you will have fun. Huge rock on one side, mountain ranges on the other, and a road leading to a place we think would be beautiful than our imagination. And wow! Yes, we were so right. This place is amazingly beautiful. It was like few hours ago we had a busy city view, and next moment we are here in this paradise. So, this is the Maidala Lake. For a moment, we were confused whether to call it a lake or do more justice and rather call it a sea, but then decided to stick by the fact. Just can't tell you guys how much of positivity the sun is spreading right now. Everyone is settled by now, while few getting ready to take pictures. Some just want to relax and some are still stunned by the beauty of this place, and that's me. Such clear water. The lake with a calmness from its core to the ripples that are dancing, reflecting the blue sky. Trust me, this is certainly a delight to watch. We just walked a bit to look at the place from another perspective and found that this view is no less scenic than the previous one. We're just gonna take you guys across to have a glimpse of this view. Oh yeah, just remembered that we promised to tell you guys more about camping. Few of the guys we met here had set up tents at the shore kind of a thing near the lake from the previous day, eating instant Maggie amidst nature. So maybe even you guys can try it out and do let us know in the comments the experience y'all had. It's now time to explore another way to the lake. So we all started for the same. And this particular capture we would like to mention is from our friend Praful's GoPro, which is mounted at the back of his bike, which means you guys get to see us following him. So there we go, another stretch of off-road. Man, this trail is a beauty. Okay, those who are off-road lovers, please don't miss this. This is especially for you people. There is one small task in here. You might encounter a not so great hurdle on your way. Just make sure the basics of balancing is taken care of. Otherwise, it's not going to be a big deal. And also, just a suggestion that when we are riding in a group, it's not always necessary that there is one arm distance maintained between the riders all the time. We can let the lead rider cross the slopey region completely and then move on, else we might end up jamming. Okay, all that being said and done, we have now reached the other side of the lake. Did you guys get to gauge how massive the lake is? Well, the camera doesn't do justice to the place. The best camera would be your eyes. So please don't miss to visit this place. And a very special request to all of you is that the place is clean and maintained well till now. So please don't litter and say no to plastic. Like we said earlier, there is much more to this place than this lake. We could not go on the top to the hill as it would have been tiring, and also we would have missed upon the off-roading. You guys can plan according to your interest and make this trip a memorable one for you. Hope you guys liked the video. See you guys soon in our next video. Wait, I forgot something. Please do like, share and subscribe.